Hi there, everyone over at Coastline Development Group. I was speaking with Clint, and he said that this was the best email to send this short video to that I'm shooting for you guys. And what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, I wouldn't doubt it if you were asking yourself, why would I be making videos like this for people? But the reason that I do is when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, could you do this for me, please? So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we can chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Now the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks, and these are the things that help to make your website more visible online, to get you in front of more of your potential customers and have them clicking on your site. Now, content is what I've got highlighted here. The words, the information that you have on your homepage and throughout your site, and the images, the pictures. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on a homepage. Sounds a little excessive, but this is the reason behind it. When new sites hit the web, Google finds them, they go in there, they crawl the entire website. They're wanting to figure out what new information has been added to the web, documenting this for the future purposes so when they can match up results. So when it's a business like yours and you offer services, they're going to want to dig in, find out all of the services that you offer and what location are you offering them. And then later on, they'll know what to give their searchers. Now, they want to keep searchers on their search engine because that's how they make money. So that's why it's important to them that they're able to offer up the best results. They don't want them to leave. So you absolutely have an opportunity to add some more content to your homepage. When it comes to these kind of things, you just want to do more than all of the rest of the people in the market. So do more of these things than your competitors, and then of course you're going to get better results with it. So that's where content can help you. Now the second thing, citations. What a citation is it's when you see places on the internet where your exact business name, address, and phone number will be listed. So for example, Yellow Pages, 411, a Yelp listing, 3 best rated, all those types of places, free business directories where you can list your site. How this helps you, Google goes out and crawls and it sees you're listed all over the place in all these various directories, and it definitely lets them know that you are in fact a legit business. And the second thing that it does is it helps you in this area of the first page of the search, the middle section here, the Google Maps listing. So this is a citation. So if you have more citations than all of the other people in the market, that's going to help to push you up higher in this search results with, hopefully the end goal being that you end up here where people don't have to view more to be able to click on your website and get to you. So that's where the citations help you. Go out and get your business listed in as many directories as you can. And then down here, taking us to the section below the map section, this is called the organic listings, which takes me to the third thing I'm going to touch on, backlinks. Backlinks are what power you into this position. So first of all, what a backlink is, it's a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your website. And how this helps you, how this affects your business is that if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when other sites on the internet vote for you, aka give a link to you, that in turn is going to push you up higher in the search. Google sees you as the popular one. All these other websites on the internet are paying attention to you, so they'll push you up higher and make you more visible. So I've taken your site and I put it into a tool so we can see this behind the scenes, the backlinks. And what I did also, so we get a comparison and, start to see the work that would need to be done if you wanted to be there. I took this site and this site, number 1 and 2, and I put them into the same tool so we can see. So your site here is showing me that you have 22 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you 89 backlinks, being found for 89 keywords. This is where that content comes into play and plays hand in hand with this. And there's roughly, a couple of visitors trickling into your site each month, just finding you, organically, not in a paid ad. So then when we go to the next one, the one that was in the first position there, they have 262 referring domains, just about 1,000 backlinks, being found for 1,500 organic keywords, and they have got roughly 777 people visiting their site each month. And then drop that down to the second one, the one below him, 57 referring domains, other sites linking to them, about 440 backlinks, 172 organic keywords being found for, and getting about 350 visitors visiting their site each month. So that's how all that works, you guys. I don't like to make these videos very long. Nobody wants to sit and be bothered with that for a long period of time. We're all busy. So I'm going to send this off. I will follow up with Clint or whoever answers the phone to make sure that you guys did receive it and have an opportunity to watch it. And I'm happy to answer any questions that anybody might have. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.